Hi, my name is Nick Wynne. I'm the owner here at Tint World North Raleigh, and we've been open for just over 2 months. Before I got started with my Tint World franchise, I was flying all over the country, installing, configuring, testing various different kinds of hardware and software systems. I got to meet a lot of great people. I got to see a lot of fantastic places, but I always knew in the back of my mind that I needed something for myself. I needed to build my own business, something that I was actually accountable for, and something where I could establish the culture and the brand and the way that we do business. So being from a military background, we learned a lot of valuable life skills. However, running a business or starting a business was not one of them. So I had been researching various different automotive brands and franchise opportunities, and ultimately I found that Tint World offered the most diverse array of products and services with the best marketing program. So coming from an IT background, I'm usually very hard on websites, apps, marketing, things like that, and I was immediately taken with how good the website design was. The amount of information, the quality of the information, the way it was presented, it really instilled a sense of trust in me that this was the right decision.
When Nick first came to us, he had done his research. He was really high on Tint World, and we told him as a family we would support his dream. I have to be honest with you, I was skeptical of franchises. And when we went down there for Discovery Day, I was blown away by the people and everything I saw, and I left there feeling much better about Tint World.
Next, we went to work on finding the perfect location for our new Tint World franchise. We were able to find this wonderful location right here in North Raleigh, right in the heart of Wakefield. After that, during the build out, we went down to headquarters again and had 2 weeks of corporate training. We're able to meet lots of different people, get exposed to the products, and really get prepared for what we would face running the store. Once we were able to finish our build out and actually get in the store and start working with local consumers, we were really able to do what we're passionate about, and that's being involved in cars. That's helping people create value for things that they care about and really making their cars awesome.
Every day is a learning process for me. There's always a new concept or a new technology that can be applied in a conversation. It's new every day, and it's exciting in that way.
Being in here day to day, I'm here every day, 8 to 6, 6 days a week. I'm usually the first person folks see. I check every car out when they leave. It's really important to get to know them, get to know their needs, and really help them out. That's what we're passionate about here. So far, we've really focused on window tint. We have a fantastic window tinter.
Chelsea is, if not the best, she's closest to the best tinter I've ever seen.
From there, we've sort of moved into the detailing and ceramic coating.
I have a background in detailing. I worked at a dealership here locally, and Devin, our detailer, is very familiar with this industry as well, and he's very good at what he does.
Recently, we've started to move more into the paint protection film. Once we kind of get established within that market and understanding how to deliver that to our customers, the next goal is to move into the 12-volt or the mobile electronics sector.
I can confidently look a customer in the eye and tell them that you're going to get the best service for your money.
That's kind of our roadmap at the time. After that, we'll focus on maybe bringing in more of the other accessories, whether it be the remote starts, the radar detector, the lighting. We really have a plan to kind of slowly and incrementally work through the different products. So overall, we really are starting to get traction and feel like we're going to be successful in the long term.